Maria.
Tumayo ka lang. Nakakaiyak naman. Grabe, for the first time. Ang sarap panoorin.
Maraming salamat po ng Siyempre, hindi ko naman in-expect ko. Alam mo, si Ate Pian, si Ate Gaya, mananalo dito.
Day!
Ay, nasabi ako, napakaswerte ko naman. Unang-unang gusto kong pasalamat sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Siyempre, namumuna na dyan yung matangkad, mataas ang inom, at mistiso siya. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Rico. Then, ating dalawa ito, alam mo yan, diba? At syempre po sa aming staff and crew, maraming salamat sa kanila. At syempre po, hindi makakalimutan ang aming magaling na direktor, si F.M. Reyes. Direk, maraming salamat for bringing the best in you. Salamat talaga. Para sa inyo to, mga may diferensya, I love you all. Maraming salamat sa PMPC talaga. At syempre sa aming producer, si Flor, sis, eto, nangyayari ka rin. So, Has, di ba? Maraming salamat din sa'yo. Ha? At syempre yung aking anak doon, si LA. LA, congratulations. Parang sige dito, anak. Salamat po.
Yeah!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Di po nakapunta si Ate Lee tonight at masama po ang pakiramdam. Kaya nagpapaumanin po siya sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Ate Lee, I would like to receive this award for her. It has been a great pleasure working with Ate Lee in our first movie venture. We are so lucky to have her in this film. We learned a lot from her. She has been helping us, guiding us, along with Boyet De Leon, every aspect of making this movie possible. Her many years of experience and dedication in her craft and support in this industry has really helped us make this film successful. We are forever be grateful to her and Boyet for taking the risk in accepting our movie project. We at JJ Productions, as a new producer, appreciate this kind of award-giving body in recognizing our efforts, hard works, and financial risk. Hence, we will continue to produce more movies in order to support this industry. Thank you so much to the men and women behind PMPC Awards, and more power to you. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank my partners, Rajan and Kay, and our EP Regina Magno, who's not here also tonight. She's out of town. And to all men and women behind making tirelessly work for making this movie possible. Thank you so much to all our stars and supporting actors. We appreciate you all. RTV, congratulations for this third Best Actress Award in our movie, When I Met You in Tokyo. You really deserve it and get well soon. Thank you, Lord. Nagpapasalamat po ng taos puso si Ate B sa patuloy na pagbibigay po ng bugay sa kanyang craft. Hindi po siya nakapunta ng gabi pero malaking pasasalamat po sa mga bubuo ng PMPC. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you very much and good night.